Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give a very quick 1 week update from the last time I buzzed my hair. If you remember, I had a blue dye job that I just did not do well on. And I decided that was a good opportunity to do one thing I have not done yet, and that is to shave all the way down with the clipper, not using any guard. That's what I did about a week ago. And I haven't done anything else to it since. If you look, you can see it's mostly, the brunette is there. Though there is, if you look real close in person, you can see some blonde. And that reasoning is because I I bleached it out to get rid of any remaining blue. And that way it would come back, more uniform. So this is it after a week. Not sure if I'm going to dye it again anytime soon. I may. I will probably let it grow a little bit. Maybe in a week or so, I might do one more, just a quick trim. But I'll just see where it goes from here. I'm also playing a little bit with video and some backdrops. And this particular one, this is when I went to Peru in 2021. It was the winter of 2021, almost, it was like December. And this is a view from the top of Machu Picchu, looking down into the settlement there. Very, very, very interesting trip. I wanted to thank you so much for all of the kind words, for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for subscribing. Watching and subscribing and liking makes a big difference for this small little channel of mine that I'm trying to grow. I am going to be adding some other items that have to do with more spirituality things, more of my art, even maybe a little, Trevor, a little bit of Trevor, and also a little bit of politics, just a little on the happy side, though, or at least on the positive side, because I want this channel to be positive, and I want to thank the people who are writing me and asking for advice. That's very, very, very humbling. I'm not an expert in any of this, but I am an expert at being an almost 60-year-old woman who's kind of been against the grain most of my life. And if that resonates with you, well, then this is a nice place for you to be. You have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.